life of a city boy. Oh yeah, get demo. Oh yeah, get jello. Oh yeah, get no. Oh yeah, get Mama Sheba.
In this video, we'll be doing the 3-point modified. So for the 3-point modified, you're going to need 2 assistive devices. In this scenario, I'm going to use crutches. And to set up the crutches, you want to make sure that your wrist is lined up with this part, and that for your axillary part, you could fit 3 fingers here. So this is pretty suitable for me. So for this one, it's going to be partial weight bearing, and my impaired limb is going to be the one with no shoe on. And the way I'm going to do this is, I'm kind of going to be on my tippy toes because it's partial weight bearing. And then we're going to go crutch. So the crutch is going to go the same time as the impaired limb. So it's going to go here and here. Okay, so crutch and impaired limb go at the same time. So it's partial weight bearing. And if you want to see from the back side,
That's the life of a city boy. Oh yeah, get demo. Oh yeah, get jello. Oh yeah, get no. Oh yeah, get Mama Sheba.